channel.
It's your local family with Rita and Krishna.
I hope everyone is having a good day.
Thank you in advance for watching, and we hope that you enjoy this video.
Please subscribe to our channel
and share with everyone.
Are you guys ready? Start the bacchanal. Shout out TNT Toss Vibes. Everybody having a good time here tonight, right? I said TNT. Oh, TNT Vibes, my fault. I played Toss Out too, don't get me wrong. Everybody.
you guys doing? So today,
What about salam alaikum?
Assalamu alaikum. I'm sorry, my bad. Guys, look. Since morning I wake up, I got the singing. What happened, Krishna? Since morning, somebody come, a little buck come in the room. Hasa. She didn't say nothing. Jenna come in the room. Hasa. Whole day she be singing hasa. So we decided to take the hasa out that we bought from New York, and it's the whole bag we took out. It was
Seven,
right? It's huge.
7 big Florida Hassa there. Take a look.
Fresh. Clean, well clean, vinegarized and lemized, right? And we got it. So these are all the ingredients I'm working with. I got some nice fresh Saigon from Florida, some nice mango all the way from Guyana. Okra, I don't eat okra, so I only put 3 for Krishna. And my
You
little
know, tell me where that okra come from?
the okra come from, I don't know, it's Guyana okra though. And these are all my ingredients I have here, right? Check it out. And fresh herb from the garden I picked. The tree are not that big, so I just trying to get 3 piece and work. And then I got, of course, I got my coconut milk, right? Krishna does normally do this cooking, and she is already. And the guy needs just do that. Sometimes he'll just put my finger too in the aisle.
Alright, put your finger to the let me see.
Nothing. I hot. When I'm cooking, I don't like it the aisle like real hot. Caramelize a little bit.
Alright, so we're gonna caramelize the onion and pepper then. And what you got? Curry leaf?
Curry leaf, onion, and pepper. And of course, I'm going with all my dry seasoning. I got some masala, jeera, garlic, a lot of garlic. Them say garlic is good for you, right?
Garlic good for your cholesterol.
Yeah, I don't have that.
So we're adding in some water in there. So bunch up this masala there. Fire in the wire.
I got all the masala and the ingredient, partial of the ingredient here. You know, let this bunchal a little bit, right? Let me know how you guys cook your hassa. I never see kids that born in America love hassa like how my daughter loves hassa. Every day she could eat it. Why, Krishna? And she can eat it from nowhere, nobody else. She only like mine. I don't know.
You got the special skills in man, or you get the knack how to prepare hassa for her.
It's her personality because she don't eat out. The only thing when we go out, the only thing she would eat out is French fries. And the only chicken nuggets she eat is from Wendy's, right? And the French fries too. And what the other place name? Oh my God.
Popeyes?
Popeyes, yeah. She's very, very funny kid.
So we're going in with them Florida hassa there.
Big boys.
These are them big boys from Florida there, man.
And we do like our hassa huge too.
Yeah, we always, when we pick the big one, large. Not like the small one or medium one. Try to get the biggest. Alright, perfectly fit in the car heat. So we got the hassa there, all mixed up with everything there. Real nice.
And I also going with my green seasoning, right? This is how I put it. It looked like a lot, but eventually, you know, it's gonna melt out in there. And if you want, you could have bunjed this with your masala, if you prefer. It's either way. But I feel like when I do this, right, most of the hassa in the inside don't get the masala for me. I don't know. But you guys, let me know.
Right, so
I'm
we
going
got
with that.
green mango, Saigon, okra, and we got some fresh tomatoes there.
So after I get everything mixed up real nice, I go in with my, of course, my Thai organic coconut milk.
We like to give it some coconut milk, yeah, man. Coconut milk bring out a nice flavor in it.
Yeah, one day when I was cooking it, I didn't record it, but when I was cooking it, I forgot to add coconut milk. And Jenna know right away.
It didn't taste the same.
He said, Mom, you forgot to add something in the hassa. I said, why you say? He said it doesn't taste the same. And when I recalled, and I said, oh man, I forgot to add the coconut milk. So I'm not gonna add the water right away. I'm just gonna let this bunjala so everything can marinate. I'm gonna cover it I was looking for the cover. So yeah, I get back. Guys, I'm not complaining, right? I'm telling you guys because maybe you guys have ideas on, you know, our recommendation and stuff. So remember, I went to the emergency because I was having like numbness here, and I thought that because I helped Krishna with the garden that, you know, I pull a muscle or something. But eventually when I went there and they did a x-ray of my neck, they didn't see anything, right? And they just give me an injection, just highlight you guys about certain things because I show you when we were partying, having fun and doing all that stuff. So I'll share what we go through on a daily basis, right? So and they told me at the ER that if I have the pain again, to go to my regular doctor or go to see a neurosurgeon. And I explained what's going on. They was like, okay, well, they, you know, did a x-ray here if I'm having pain here. So my doctor did a prescription for me to go and have an MRI. And when I went, so eventually the result came back. 2 of my discs is slipped, C4 and C5. So that's why I'm having problem. And so I have to go see a neurologist. Now I was going to a chiropractor, but it's not doing anything. You know, I'm still having the pain. I'm paying so much money. So, ooh. So yeah, 2 of my discs is slipped, right? It's misplaced, it's not intact. So that's why I'm having a lot of back pain. So I stopped the chiropractor. I made an appointment. As soon as I find out, I call like 20 neurologists in the area around here, and they're all booked up. The ones that are booked up, they're not taking new patients. So I have to go next month. I'll keep you guys updated, and if you guys know, have any recommendation, let me know, you know, what to do. I mean, I'm doing certain stuff, you know, keeping a nice posture. I bought this pillow on Amazon, which, you know, I'm doing my own research, which they recommend to have a pillow like that. And yeah, I don't want, long story short, for 22 years, I've been sleeping on Krishna's arm. And I don't know, maybe that's why. Because, I mean, I didn't have no car accident or no accident, so I don't know. The only thing I do is heavy lifting, you know, with chores around the house. So guys, I'm gonna show you guys the pillow that I got, and I, you know, when I'm sleeping, I feel a little relief. The only thing Krishna miss me sleeping on his arm, right, Krishna?
Mm-hmm. Sometimes I try to push my arm under there because I'm used to it.
Yeah. He's all the time he trying to push, you know, pull my head and say, no, don't do that. Yeah, it's gonna get better. When it get better, you will do it. Or maybe you're gonna grow it out.
Or maybe that's what caused it, so you never know.
Yeah, I don't know.
Alright.
So guys, this is the pillow that I get. You see, it's a cervical memory foam pillow, right? Look how nice it is. You see, it carry this
Ridge?
yeah, it carry this nice ridge here for your posture, that everything could fix in here nicely. And you know, and look, it's once you rest your head, right, you will immediately feel the pillow take the shape of your natural neck position, providing you the comfort that you will never experience before. And truly, like before, I was having a lot of pain, and with the pillow, because I can't sleep from on one side, and it helps. I bought it from Amazon. So if you guys are having, you know, any problem sleeping in the night, this is the pillow that recommend for me because of my disc problem. I slip through this until it get old. Until it get old. When you get certain age, everything will slip out. And listen, imagine I called 20 neurologists when I find out I was having palpitation, like anxiety. Like, what the hell? You know? And none of them don't have like close date here. So I asked them why, what's going on? They'll be like, oh, you know, it's getting warm. A lot of people been doing a lot of activities and having injured. I said, okay. Yes, that's it. I'll keep you guys updated though when I go, right? Keep me in prayer. Keep me in your prayers.
Alright, we'll pray for you.
So check it out, family. I didn't add no water, right? It's coconut milk and check out the hasa there. Top of things and top of things.
So look what I got here. Some tamarind.
Wow.
So tamarind from the tree, hasa from the bush. One day they're gonna meet up in the same curry. Spile the man's eye off.
Yeah.
It's a nice tease there. You want that good return? You want some more?
Yeah, that's perfect.
Alright, so
And this hasa because sand up with it by hand, right, Krishna?
yeah man, so original song. Kuras from the sea and tamarind from the tree. One day they're gonna reach up in the same curry.
And they're huge. You wanna give them a decent amount of water.
Okay, so let me give it a decent amount just to cover. So check it out there. I give it a decent amount there to cover it up. Rita doesn't like when we turn this thing too much. So I'm not gonna turn it. I'll just show you guys how it's looking there. Rita don't want me broke up the hasa man. She want to eat the hasa whole.
Intact, I like the head. I mean, I don't like fish head, but I only like to suck the hasa head. Jen too.
Alright, so looking good there. So check out the hasa there, see how it come out. This is the finishing touch. And you know when you get food like this, be a man that's like going in the bare hands there, right? Or fingers. So let's go ahead, give the Saijan a taste there. Fresh Florida Saijan there. Nice and young, juicy. And we even got okra in here. Fresh green mango. Let's peel this hasa and see the how she looking. See, nice and boiled all the way down to the bone. And we're gonna sand it up real good then. And this hasa tastes really fresh. You can taste the freshness from it there.
Really?
Yeah, it's good.